Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change app icons on your iPhone. Alright, let's begin. Before you start, make sure your iPhone has the Shortcuts app installed. Next, find the custom app icon you want to use. You can search online for icons by typing something like app icon aesthetic or search for a specific app icon. Then save your favorite image to your Photos app. Now, open the Shortcuts app and tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Tap Open App, then select the app you want to customize. After that, tap the Share button at the bottom and choose Add to Home Screen. Rename the shortcut to match the app's name if needed. Tap the Image tab, tap on Choose Photo, and select the custom icon you saved earlier. Adjust the image if necessary. Then tap Choose followed by Add. Repeat the same process for any other apps you want to customize. So that's basically how you can change app icons on your iPhone. That's it for this video. Thanks.